Hey guys, Casey Gibbs here. I just want to talk to you guys a little bit about LadyBoss Labs. If you have not heard about LadyBoss Labs, you've got to check it out. So I want to talk about one in particular, but I'm going to introduce you to the amazing bunch because without them, I mean, you know, you can't just have one without the other. So let's just talk about real quick. We got LadyBoss Lean. It's a shake mix. It tastes like vanilla cake. Heaven in a shaker. We'll just put it that way. Then you have your Recover. So you can drink this during your workouts, after your workouts. You have your Burn. So this is a fat burner, like it's called, Burn. And then they also have Fuel, which I don't have on me right now. But the one we're here to talk about, the amazing one called Rest. This beautiful bottle right here. It's my favorite. So Rest is basically a non-habit forming sleep aid. It helps you go to sleep faster. You wake up feeling refreshed. You stay asleep all night. It's just amazing. Like amazing. So I was the person that went to bed at 2 a.m. in the morning because I could not go to sleep when my now husband goes to bed. I would go to bed with him, I would toss and turn, or I would just wake up in the middle of the night and not be able to go back to sleep. So I have tried over-the-counter sleeping pills, I have tried hot teas, I have tried everything. And I still had no luck with being able to actually go to bed. I tried LadyBoss Rest, and the first night I took it, I took 2 pills. 2 pills. I fell asleep at 9 p.m. 9 p.m. instead of 2 a.m. So how awesome would that be if you could get your sleep back on track? You could wake up feeling refreshed to where you could go to the gym, you could kill those workouts, you can go to work and you can feel refreshed. You can just have a better day. So I take 2 capsules before bed, 30 minutes before, and I'm out 30 minutes after. I'm usually sleeping like a baby. So I highly recommend Rest. Is definitely one of my favorites out of the products, and I honestly could not live without it now. So if you are really interested in finding great supplements, these are made just for women. Like I said, like just for women. Like how awesome is that? So you know, go to LadyBossLabs.com and you can find more information about when you can get your supplements. And I cannot wait for you guys to try these because they are insane. Just the best products I've ever tried. So I look forward to hearing from everybody and seeing the results with LadyBoss Labs. Bye guys.